Why do some people stay in toxic relationships or environments? Alam mo, just like what I shared with you a couple of sessions ago, di ba yung utak natin, merong two parts, the conscious mind and the unconscious mind. The conscious mind only consists of the 5%. Ito yung logical part of our mind. This is where we think. Right now, ito yung nakikinig sa akin, nagre-react dyan. But the 95% is the unconscious mind. And that unconscious mind, everyone, the design of the unconscious mind is to protect you. Yan talaga, for your safety and protection. That's the purpose of the unconscious mind. Now, going back to the question, why do some people stay in toxic relationships or environments? Kasi, you being in that situation, your unconscious mind feels that that's the safest situation you are in right now. Di ba nakakatawa? Yung purpose ng unconscious mind natin is to protect us and to keep us safe. But anything that is unfamiliar to our unconscious mind seems like para sa kanya is unsafe or hindi tayo protected. Change for the unconscious mind is unsafe and we feel unprotected with that. That's why your 95% will keep you in a situation wherein kahit pa nagsasuffer ka, pero para sa unconscious mind mo, safe ka. Kasi alam na ng unconscious mind mo yung usual na nangyayari. Alam na ng unconscious mind mo kung ano yung usual na reaction mo. Kumbaga, predictable na siya. Pero if you decide to go out of that situation, go out of that environment, go out of that relationship, it's something na you still haven't experienced yet. So yung unconscious mind mo, natatakot siya of that unfamiliarity. Your unconscious mind is thinking na, uy, hindi natin alam to. We don't know the feeling of being successful. We don't know the feeling of being in a happy relationship. Yung alam lang natin is in this type of relationship. That's why your unconscious mind will find ways na ibabalik ka doon. Imagine kung hindi ka aware of that. So, sino yung in control? Yung in control is yung utak mo. Hindi ka tunay na in control of your life. That's very important that you need to keep on learning and discovering how your mind works para you can reprogram your 95%. Instead na yung 95% mo, sinasabotahe ka, nilalagay ka sa sitwasyon na palagi na lang nagsasuffer ka, palagi na lang nagdadrama ka, your unconscious mind can help you go out of that situation and really go after the life that you deserve. Now, ano yung kailangan mong gawin? Decide.